pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vero Lake Estates Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. For a seamless relocation to Vero Lake Estates, it is highly recommended to enlist the assistance of a professional moving company. Hiring professionals ensures that your move proceeds as smoothly as possible. Regarding moving to Vero Lake Estates, Florida, 3 Movers is the top choice for a moving company. We ensure our customers' movement is seamless and everything goes according to plan. With us handling your move, there's no need to worry. We guarantee a move that's not stressful. Hiring a professional would be better for a successful local move and to ensure everything goes according to plan. When you handle a local move by yourself, you're more likely to spend a lot of money than when you hire experts to help with your move. Professional movers would help you prevent any damages that would make you spend too much money on your local move. When planning a long-distance move to Vero Lake Estates, it is essential to engage the services of a reliable moving company. 3 Movers is the right choice for your move, guaranteeing a successful relocation. When you hire 3 Movers for your move, you should know that you will have high-speed transportation to your destination. As professionals, we know all the best routes to ensure your transportation is swift. Fast transit would greatly benefit your move, as you'll get to your destination in time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vero Lake Estates moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.